In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom field in Zendesk. Whether you're looking to gather more specific information from your users or streamline your customer support workflow by capturing additional data, adding a custom field can significantly enhance your Zendesk experience. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Zendesk's website. Open your preferred browser and go to zendesk.com. Once there, click on Sign In, which you can typically find at the top right corner of the home page. This action will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure your credentials are correct, as this will ensure a smooth transition into your Zendesk dashboard. After entering your details, click Sign In again to access your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the settings by locating the gear icon, which is often found on the sidebar. Clicking this will open the settings menu. From here, proceed by clicking on Go to Admin Center. In the Admin Center, you'll want to look for Objects and Rules, which is the area where you can manage various configurations of your Zendesk instance. Click on Objects and Rules, then click Fields to proceed. Now we're getting to the core of our task. In the Fields section, you'll see a button that says Add Field. Click on this to start creating your custom field. You'll be prompted to choose the type of field you want to add. Zendesk provides a variety of field types such as text boxes, drop-down menus, or checkboxes. For this example, let's say you're creating a checkbox. Select your desired field type from the options available. Next, you'll need to type in the display name for your custom field. This is the label that will appear on tickets, so make sure it clearly conveys the information you intend to collect. After you've set a descriptive and helpful display name, don't forget to add a description. The description will help clarify the purpose of your custom field for your team members or any third parties who might be interacting with it. Additionally, you may have the option to add tags to your new field. Tags are perfect for categorizing and organizing your fields, making it easier to filter them later based on various attributes. Once you've configured all these settings according to your needs, the last and crucial step is to click Save. Doing so will ensure that all your customizations are applied and your new field is ready to be used. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom field to your Zendesk instance. Remember, customizing your fields can be a powerful way to tailor Zendesk to better meet your organizational needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Zendesk tips and tutorials.